Hi guys!
What's up?
We are the interesting
And Ficus.
Probably most of you have seen the inflatable trampolines.
Such colorful, small or big ones.
People jump on it, slip and slide and do many other things, but not that we are going to do today.
And today we want to float on the trampoline.
It's very dangerous, but we'll try to do it.
And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then do it right now by clicking the button
Now
below.
let's get started.
Now we are going for a new victim of our experiments. It's an inflatable trampoline. We are heading to another district. I'm wondering how we're gonna shove all these motor and generator there on the board so that they don't fall into the water.
Such a cute and fluffy cat went away. It's not very large in appearance, but according to the idea, it's gonna be massive. Now we will see where we put everything that we filmed in the previous videos. Whoa, that's a whole bunch of resources. I have an idea, why not to make a pole and wheels from this thing?
Do you remember this nameplate is from which video?
Wow!
Looks who's here! Hi! We found out where you live. Good afternoon.
By our great tradition, we came to the site to rent a generator and it's quite heavy.
Write in the comments how many figures are here right now in the video. We bought a thread and a needle because we accidentally tore our trampoline. It has a big hole, the two in the bottom. How's the place? Horrible. Horrible and dirty.
I found the entrance to Narnia. Here it is.
Whoa, it's just burned from the inside. This is where it turned off. Alright, it's time to stitch it now. At the expense of 2 broken needles, I almost stitched it. I don't know why, but Ficus doesn't like to sew. But I don't care, there is nothing wrong with that.
And Ficus doesn't like stitching, not just like that. Ficus doesn't like it because he's a lazy ass. And that's why he doesn't like to do the stitching at all. And now we need to fly in a hurry because there is a huge grey cloud and most likely it will rain. Well, actually, we are not afraid of rain, but we are worried about the generator and the blower.
Today we have a new blower, so we don't know how it works. Whoa, it's so powerful, right?
Very much.
Whoa!
I'm Moses.
What do you think? Are we gonna have a huge trampoline? It's inflating!
More air is needed.
It has got a slide, there is a passage.
You got someone new, I know it.
We attach the tube to this lifesaver through which the air goes inside, which later inflates the trampoline. This is to ensure that this thing keeps its shapes and doesn't tear off, and so that the air gets in regularly.
Damn, this weather. Ficus, where are you?
I'm here.
Hiding? The weather is so horrible. Where is our... Oh, here it is. It seems to me that it was blown away. Now it's safe. Look there, dude. The bridge is almost invisible. Yes, this is the heavy downpour. It looks some kind of silent hill and our trampoline is lying there. Hope it doesn't get blown away. Some ducks have come to visit us. Well, it's already look fine outside, but it's still a bit drizzle. I guess it soon will be sunny.
The only thing I'm worrying about is that our blower shouldn't shut down, because if it shuts down, then this is what's gonna happen. See how our trampoline is being blown away. At such a lightning speed.
Damn, how quickly it's deflating. Well, it deflated in just 2 minutes.
Well, imagine how it's gonna feel like when I'll be over there in the deeper part of the river with this trampoline, generator and the air pump.
If air doesn't pass in it, it simply deflates.
Well, we fixed up everything, now we'll try to pull it all into the water.
Look the water get in there. Well, this is really fancy boat. Are you able to stand up here?
Yes.
Whoa!
Hooray! I'm floating.
Got the look on your face. It's too hard to explain.
You see, our experiments never go in the vain. At the end, we always succeed.
And you say, Gloria, please, don't cry for me. Oh, Gloria, please, don't cry for me.
Friends were able to sail on trampoline
And the most important and pleasant thing is that we survived.
and survived everything that was on it. We really hope that you will support this extreme experiment with your likes. So hit the likes,
Leave your comments below
subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon.
so that you don't miss out the new videos.
Thanks for watching.
Till next time.
Bye.
Got the look on your face. It's too hard to explain, but the worst is the pain when you pronounce my name.
Blah, blah.